Good afternoon to all. Here presented my honorable teacher, classmates and respected guests. Welcome to my presentation. This is Samia Jabaraisa, student of Pacific Laboratory School. Today I am here to talk about AI. I have divided my speech into three parts. First of all, what AI is. Next, merits and demerits of it. And finally, how can we use it in our daily life. My speech will take a little time after finishing my speech. I will be grateful if you ask me regarding this topic. Well, artificial intelligence is a modern technology that helps machines think and act like humans. It's used to make our life easier and faster. For example, AI can find information on the internet, talk to virtual assistants like Google or Siri, and even drive cars automatically. Scientists design AI systems to learn from data and solve problems. In school, AI can help students by answering questions or personalized learning program. In hospital, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases and suggest treatments. In a word, I can say AI can help us many ways. Finally, I'm at the end of my speech. Thank you for being with me patient. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.
ঠিক আছে, যাওয়ার স্টেশন